A recent post by Chiwenga on X suggested that Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is unhappy with his public criticism and may be discussing him with senior military officials. Muliswa says he was informed that a secret meeting of high-ranking military officers took place recently where he was a main topic and that the officers later visited the vice president. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva inei aitagwa naTemba Mliswa avhundutsa vanhu kuti avo pane mahara high ranking officers vari kuita meetings and vachinoripota kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga and the main topic iri kutaurwa ndiTemba Mliswa. Sarabina mashoko buda aitagwa panguva inei ari kuona kunzi Temba Mliswa amene ari kunyepa here kana kuti noti subscribe or like or bell icon. Crime watching Rambiri JT, he claims their concern is because he has been openly accusing Chiwenga of misconduct and abuse of office. Muliswa also says that since Chiwenga is now a political leader, the public has the right to question and criticize him. He adds that no public official should be above the public scrutiny. And posted this post ya Temba Mliswa yanyora achiti, I have been reliably informed of a clandestine gathering that took place 2 days ago involving several high-ranking military officials, at which I was a focal point of discussion. The meeting attendees later visited the VP's place. Their discontent primarily revolves around my continued public denunciations of specific acts of misconduct, abuse of office, and even dereliction of duty attributed to Vice President. We are acutely aware of these and other political covert convenings among military personnel, which are clearly informed by subversive agendas. Normal developments aripo then awirutwa bwana Muliswa panguva ino achiti aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga he must be fired, achiti hazvingatimisi kuvacriticiza, achiti pane mameetings ari kugarwa pasi aiwa achionekwa kunzi iye Muliswa ndiye ari kudiscusswa pamusoro pake. Pinda comment section menyu zvafunguro enyu motodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.